The NozeBot Electric Nasal Aspirator is expertly designed by a pediatric ear, nose, and throat specialist, ensuring it meets the specific needs of parents seeking effective congestion relief for their babies. With hospital-grade suction and a patented two-finger nosepiece, this aspirator provides fast and gentle relief, efficiently handling everything from mild sniffles to more stubborn mucus. Its cordless and rechargeable design allows for ultimate convenience, making it perfect for use anywhere, whether you are at home, on a car ride, or traveling with your little one. Cleaning is a breeze with the NozeBot, as its components are top-rack dishwasher-safe, making it easy to maintain hygiene without adding stress to busy parenting routines. This nasal aspirator is not only trusted by parents, but also eligible for health savings account and flexible spending account, offering hospital-grade care in the comfort of your own home. Manufactured by Dr. Knows Best, the NozeBot is a reliable and gentle solution for infant and toddler nasal care, providing peace of mind and effective relief for families